Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in this video, we are going to learn about how we can install data loader in Salesforce. So we know that in Salesforce, we have the data import wizard and data export wizard to manage the data in the Salesforce. But for those tools, there are some limitations. That's why Salesforce has been provided the data loader, which is the external tool. That means unlike the data import wizard or the data export wizard, you will not have option to use the data loader directly from the Salesforce. For that, we need to install it, and then by getting login in the data loader using the Salesforce credentials, we can use the data loader to manipulate the data in the Salesforce. So in this video, we are going to understand how we can install the data loader. Then to use the data loader, we also need the JRE, which is Java Runtime Environment. We also need to install that also. So while installing the data loader, I will be explain each and every step. After installing the data loader, I will be explain how we can get login into data loader, and then I will give overview how we can use this data loader in Salesforce. So for that, watch this video till the end and don't miss any step. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get regular updates. And now, before moving ahead, if you want to learn the Salesforce from the scratch, or if you are serious about building your career in the Salesforce, I have created Salesforce admin training course and also Agentforce course. So in this course, you will have lifetime access and the free future updates. After that, you will have the HD video lessons. Then in these courses, you will have the Salesforce admin training course. After that, the Agentforce training course. And also if you want to learn both things, then we also have created a complete training course bundle in which you will have the Salesforce admin training course as well as Agentforce course. So in these courses, everything is explained in simple English with the real-time examples. Now, if you want to know about more about these courses, you can click on this read more button. From there, you will be redirected to the content that I have explained in each course. And if you want to buy this course, you can click on this enroll now button. So the link of the Join Pro I will provide in the description box. You can go through it. From there, you will be navigate on this page. Also, we are going to conduct a live webinar on the Salesforce Agentforce on the 10th of December. In this webinar, we are going to learn about Agentforce plus Slack. In that, we will have the following topics: introduction to the Salesforce Agentforce. Then I will be explain Slack integration overview. Then we will understand how we can connect Slack with the Salesforce org. Then we will have the live demo where I will create a Slack agent, and after that we will deploy that agent on the Slack workspace, and then we will have the question and answer sessions. So to book your seat on this virtual webinar, you need to register now. So the registration link I will provide in the description box. From there, you can register for this Agentforce and Slack webinar. Now let's coming back to our topic. First, we will understand how we can install data loader in Salesforce. For that, let's navigate to the Salesforce org. To download the data loader, in the quick find box, search for the data loader. Here you can see under the integrations we have data loader. Click on it. Now here we have two options. First, we need to download the data loader. For that, click on this download options. And then to download the application, here we need to click on this link. As you click on this link, it will start to download. And as you can see, the data loader has been successfully downloaded. But this one is the zip file. We need to extract the zip file, and after that we need to download it. But before that, we also need to download the MSI file, which is Java Runtime Environment. For that, again navigate to the data loader. And here you can see, here we have user guide. Click on it. And in this developer guide, here you can see, here we have install data loader option. Click on it. And then here we have download and install data loader. So as you click on it, then scroll down, and here you can see, here we need to download the JRE Java package or the JDK package that contains JRE. So here is the link to download the JRE. For that, here I am clicking on Zulu. And now from here we need to select for which operating system you want to download the JRE file. So here in the operating system, here I am selecting Windows. You can select the operating system as per your requirement. And now here I am downloading the JRE, which is Java 21 version. As you click on this download, here you can see, here we have .msi file. Click on it, and the file has been successfully downloaded. Now let's open the JRE file. So here we need to click next. After that, you want to change the file location. Here you can click on this browse button. So I am not changing the location. After that, click on next and then click on install. Now it will take some time to install it, and when the installation complete, here we need to click on this finish button. Now the JRE has been successfully installed. Now we need to install the data loader application. To install the data loader, here I am opening the file explorer where I have downloaded the data loader zip file. Before proceeding, if you like the video and you want to understand the basic concept of the agent force and you really want to start journey to the agent force, I will provide the link of free agent force ebook in the description box. You can go through it so that you will get basic understanding of the agent force, and then if you want to learn more about the agent force, you can join our pro training courses. Now let's move ahead. So first we need to extract this one. For that, here I am going to extract the downloaded file. Here you can see the file has been successfully get extracted. Here I am opening this file, and now here you can see here we have install.bat file. We need to open this one. Now in the command prompt, here you can see, do you want to install the data loader in the current folder? So here we need to provide yes or no answer. So here I am providing yes. Press enter. Now again it will ask another question. Do you want to create a desktop shortcut? So I want to create. For that, again provide yes. Press enter key. The desktop shortcut created. Again, do you want to create a start menu shortcut? Again here I am providing yes and press enter key. And here you can see the start menu shortcut also has been created. Now close this one. So now on the desktop the shortcut will be created. Here you can see the data loader has been successfully downloaded. Now here I am opening the data loader. As you open the data loader, here you can see here we have some operations: insert, update, upsert, delete, undelete, hard delete, export and export all. So first let me explain these operations. The insert operation is used to insert new records from the external system to the Salesforce org. And also the scenario for these all operations I will explain in the upcoming videos. After that, we have update operation. That means in the Salesforce org there will be the multiple records that we want to update. Now instead of opening one by one record and update there, we can export it in the external system, and from there we can update the records. We can import all those updated records in the Salesforce org. After that, we have upsert operation. The upsert operation contains two operations. First one is insert and second one is update. That means if you have a file that contains some new records and some existing records from the Salesforce org, then after using this upsert operation, the record which already exists in the Salesforce org, that will be get update, and the record which are not present in that object, that will be get insert. After that, we have delete operation. Using the delete operation, we can delete the multiple records which stores into the recycle bin. After that, again also we have the undelete. Using the undelete operation, we can again restore the deleted record using this data loader file. After that, we have hard delete. Using the first delete operation, after deleting the records, it will store to the recycle bin. But when we use the hard delete, it will bypass the recycle bin and it will delete the record permanently. After that, here we have export. Using this export operation, we can export all the records from the particular object to the external system. And then using the export all, we can export all the standard and custom objects record in our system. So these are the operations which we can perform using the data loader in Salesforce. Now in the upcoming videos, I will explain all these operations using the scenario, so that you will be better understand what are the uses of this operation and how we can use this operation in the data loader to upload the multiple records in the Salesforce org. Now let's understand how we can connect the data loader to the Salesforce org. For that, here you can click on any operation. So here I am clicking on insert operation. And now here you can see, here we need to log in with the Salesforce org. For that, click on login button. After that, click on connect, click on allow. Again, here you can see, now we got the message you are connected. So for that, again we need to click on continue button. And after that, again as you open the data loader, now here you can see, So we have selected the insert operation, and here you need to select the object for which you are importing the records. How we can import the records using the insert operation, I will explain in next videos. So in this video, I have explained what is the data loader in Salesforce, their feature, and after that I have explained how we can download and install the data loader in Salesforce. With the data loader, I have also explained how we can install the MSI file, which is the JRE Java runtime environment in Salesforce. So that's all for this video. So I hope you have understood whatever I have explained. Also, do register for the Agentforce plus Slack live webinar, which we are going to conduct on 10th of December. The link I have provided in the description box. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.